Guangdong SKMEI Watch Manufacturing Company, Limited is a high-tech enterprise in Guangdong Province, founded in 2010. The company is headquartered in the high-tech zone of Jiaqing City, Guangdong Province, with 13,000 square meters of modern factory buildings, a beautiful modern office environment, and an industry-leading high-tech brand showroom. The company has an efficient team of more than 300 people, including R&D, design, production, sales, and other departments, can provide customers with a full range of watch design and production solutions. With advanced technology and strict quality control system, our company has become a leading enterprise in domestic watch manufacturing industry and has been selected as a super factory by Alibaba for years. The company's brand SKMEI was successfully registered in China for the first time in 2009, and successfully registered in more than 200 countries around the world in 2014. SKMEI brand has been well known in Amazon and other well-known e-commerce platforms around the world, and has been selected for many times and won the top 3 brand list of the first e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Latin America. The company is committed to providing customers with a diverse range of watch products, including multifunctional digital watches, children's watches, quartz watches, mechanical watches, smart watches, ASIN watches, and other series. At the same time, we also provide OEM and ODM design and production services to customers, tailoring unique watch products. Adhering to the service concept of customer-centered, our company consistently upholds the 4 highs product standards: high level of appearance, high quality, high cost-effective, and high-frequency new products. SKMEI products are fashionable, concise atmosphere, affordable, warehouse with inventory adequate supply, perennial stock are more than 6,000 SKU. Our company put a premium on products innovation, releases a new product every 2 days and releases more than 180 new products each year. Quality first is the tenet of our company and factory. The company has passed ISO 9001:2015 Quality System Certification, European BSCI Certification, CE, Rose Environmental Protection Certification, and many other international certifications to ensure that each watch can meet the quality requirements of customers, and has long-term cooperation with well-known brands such as Walmart, Disney, Universal Studio, and UMBRO. In the future, the company will continue to uphold the customer-centered service concept, continuous innovation, continue to lead the industry standard with high quality and good service, and strive to become a leader in the watch manufacturing industry, teaming up with SKMEI for a bright future.